Okay, Lyndsey, the guys are just about wrapped up. I'm curious, how did you find Dennis and Zen Windows?
I found Zen Windows on Angie's List. They had great reviews, so then I did the free quote estimation and went from there.
Did you have many questions that Dennis was able to address?
Yeah, he answered a lot of my questions. Being a new homeowner, I didn't really know a whole lot about windows. So he, I guess in detail, went over the types of windows he had and just really answered all the questions that I had thoroughly.
Did he bring up alternatives? I noticed that you've got sliders and a lot of people are getting up and down windows. Kind of went over that and what we could or couldn't do.
Yeah, so I had sliders previously, and so I kind of went with the same look because I liked it. But he, went through the different options that there was.
Oh, okay.
And kind of the benefits of each one.
Yeah. And what do you think about the guys that are out here working today?
Great. Eddie's been doing really good. Put down drop cloths in the house, so everything looks, perfect. No foot tracks or anything like that.
Did they clean up well on the inside? I know it's done.
Yes, yeah, they did a great job. I don't know, very polite, on time. I mean, they were here at 8 o'clock on the dot.
Yeah. How about the outside? They got about 6 out of 9 windows finished on the outside. How are they looking?
Looks good. They capped everything off to really, make it a finished product.
Yeah.
And I really couldn't be happier with how the finished product looks.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. I know you didn't want to do this, but you did well.
Thank
okay?
you.
Thank you.